Ever dreamed of waking up to the chirping of birds and the gentle rustle of leaves, right in the heart of nature? Well, it's time to strap in, because we're about to embark on an epic journey that will turn those dreams into reality. Welcome to the world of RV camping, a realm where the open road is your oyster, and every sunrise heralds a new adventure. Picture this: you, your loved ones, and your trusty four-legged companions exploring the vast expanse of the United States, one campsite at a time. And the best part? You're doing it all on a budget, proving that priceless memories don't always come with a hefty price tag. RV camping offers an exciting blend of freedom and flexibility. It's about trading city skyscrapers for towering trees, swapping the hustle and bustle for the tranquil melody of nature, and replacing the concrete jungle with the untamed wilderness. It's about charting your own course, setting your own pace, and embracing the unpredictable. And there's no better way to truly immerse yourself in the great outdoors than by boondocking. For the uninitiated, boondocking is the practice of camping without hookups, often in remote and scenic locations. It's about going off the grid, reconnecting with nature, and rediscovering the simple joys of life. Of course, if you prefer a few creature comforts, there's always the option of staying at state or national parks. These parks offer a fantastic combination of affordability and amenities, not to mention the incredible natural beauty that surrounds you at every turn. As we traverse the highways and byways, we'll be seeking out the most unique and budget-friendly experiences each region has to offer. From sampling local cuisine to trying our hand at new activities, our journey will be as much about the destination as it is about the journey itself. So buckle up, because we're about to hit the road and kickstart this RV adventure. As we embark on this journey together, we'll discover some of the best free and low-cost campsites across the U.S. Boondocking, also known as dry camping, is a way of RV camping that's off the beaten track. It's all about parking your RV in a location with no or limited amenities, no water hookups, no electricity, and no sewer. Just you, your RV, and the great outdoors. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds a bit rugged for me. But don't let the lack of amenities deter you. Boondocking can be a cost-effective and adventurous way of camping. Who needs a crowded campground when you can have a panoramic view of the mountains or a serene lakeside spot all to yourself? Now, let's talk about the basic rules and etiquettes of boondocking. First things first, always respect the land. Leave your campsite cleaner than you found it. Remember, we're guests in Mother Nature's home. Secondly, be mindful of noise levels. The whole point of boondocking is to enjoy the peace and tranquility of nature. So keep the noise down and let others enjoy it too. Thirdly, and this is a big one, always check local regulations. Not all public lands permit boondocking, and some have specific restrictions. So, do your homework. Lastly, practice safety. This goes for both personal safety and fire safety. Always let someone know where you're going and when you plan to return. And remember, you're in the wilderness, so be prepared for encounters with wildlife. Boondocking can be a thrilling experience, allowing you to enjoy nature at its purest. It's the ultimate way to unplug and unwind, to truly connect with the world around you. And the best part? It's often free or very low cost. So, where can you boondock for free or at a low cost? Stay tuned as we dive into the top free boondocking sites. Ready for some insider secrets? Here are some of the best places to boondock for absolutely free. Let's begin with the captivating Quartzsite in Arizona. Now, this isn't your typical boondocking site. It's more like a boondocking metropolis. Every winter, thousands of RVers converge here to enjoy the mild weather, swap stories around the campfire, and browse the vast flea markets. There's a real sense of community, making it an ideal spot for both seasoned boondockers and those new to the game. Next up, we have the mesmerizing Alabama Hills in California. Nestled in the shadows of Mount Whitney, this site offers a stunning panorama of rugged hills and majestic mountains. It's a rock climber's paradise and a movie buff's dream, with over 400 movies filmed here. The best part, it's all free. Moving on, let's head to the Lone Star State and the Padre Island National Seashore. This site offers miles of pristine beach where you can park your RV right on the sand. If you're lucky, you might witness the hatching of endangered sea turtles. It's truly a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Our next stop is the scenic land between the lakes in Kentucky and Tennessee. The name says it all. It's a beautiful peninsula sandwiched between two large lakes. This site offers a variety of outdoor activities, including hiking, fishing, and wildlife viewing. There's something for everyone in this nature lover's haven. Now, let's venture to the awe-inspiring Badlands of South Dakota. The unique landscape of layered rock formations, deep canyons, and towering spires is truly a sight to behold. With several boondocking spots available, you can set up camp and immerse yourself in this geological wonder. Next, we're off to the breathtaking Grand Staircase Escalante National Monument in Utah. This vast region of multicolored cliffs, plateaus, and canyons is simply out of this world. If solitude and unspoiled nature are what you crave, this is the place to be. Finally, let's head north to the serene Glass Creek Meadow in California. This site is nestled amidst a fragrant pine forest with a bubbling creek running nearby. It's an idyllic spot for those seeking tranquility and a perfect base camp for exploring nearby attractions like the Mono Lake and Yosemite National Park. These are just a few of the incredible free boondocking sites across the U.S. Each site has its own unique charm and allure, offering an array of attractions and activities. Whether you're drawn to the desert's stark beauty, the beach's sun-kissed tranquility, or the forest's emerald serenity, there's a boondocking site that's just right for you. These amazing sites offer an unforgettable experience without breaking the bank. But what if you prefer a bit more structure and amenities? Tune in to our next segment, where we'll explore some affordable state and national parks that offer a balance between wild boondocking and the comfort of established campgrounds. For those who prefer a bit more structure, let's explore some affordable state and national parks for RV camping. State and national parks are a treasure trove for campers. They offer a rich blend of natural beauty, recreational activities, and essential facilities to make your camping experience both comfortable and memorable. And the best part? You don't have to break the bank to enjoy all of this. Let's start our journey on the East Coast at Catoctin Mountain Park in Maryland. This park is a haven for wildlife lovers with over 75 species of birds alone, and the cost? A mere $20 per night for an RV site. Next, we head to the Midwest and the beautiful Starved Rock State Park in Illinois. Known for its stunning sandstone canyons and waterfalls, this park offers camping at just $25 per night. And did I mention the fantastic hiking trails? Continuing west, we find ourselves in the heart of Texas at the Palo Duro Canyon State Park, often referred to as the Grand Canyon of Texas. This park features multicolored rock layers that will leave you spellbound. And with RV camping starting at just $20 a night, it's an affordable gem in the Lone Star State. Let's not forget the breathtaking beauty of the West Coast. Jedediah Smith, Redwood State Park in California, offers an enchanting forest experience. Surrounded by towering redwoods, it's like entering a different world. With camping fees starting at $35 a night, it's a small price to pay for such a magical experience. Lastly, we head to the northernmost part of the U.S., to Denali National Park in Alaska. Home to North America's tallest peak, Denali offers a wilderness experience unlike any other. And with RV camping starting at just $15 a night, it's a budget-friendly option for those looking to venture a bit further afield. But it's not just about affordability. Camping in state and national parks offers a unique opportunity to immerse yourself in nature, wake up to the sound of birdsong, take a hike through scenic trails, or simply sit back and enjoy the starry night sky. It's about creating memorable experiences that last a lifetime. Moreover, these parks often have visitor centers with knowledgeable staff who can provide information about the park's flora, fauna, and history. They also offer organized activities such as guided nature walks, wildlife viewing, and evening campfire talks. So you're not just camping, you're learning and experiencing something new. In addition, state and national parks are well maintained and have essential facilities such as restrooms, picnic areas, and dump stations. Some even offer amenities like showers and laundry facilities. So, while you're enjoying the great outdoors, you still have access to some home comforts. As you can see, these parks offer great value for money with their affordable camping facilities and stunning natural beauty. But what about the local experiences? Camping is not just about staying in an RV. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture and activities. Imagine waking up to the aroma of pine trees and the sound of chirping birds. You step outside your RV, greeted by the warmth of the morning sun. But the adventure doesn't stop there. It's time to explore the surrounding areas and delve into the local culture and activities. For instance, if you've set up camp in the heart of the Rocky Mountains, why not take a morning hike? You'll enjoy the breathtaking views of the towering peaks and might even spot some local wildlife. And after working up an appetite, you can stop by a local farmer's market and indulge in some farm fresh produce or artisanal cheese. Or maybe you're parked near the beach in Southern California. The ocean is calling your name. Try your hand at surfing or build sandcastles with the kids. And don't forget to grab a serving of fish tacos from a seaside food truck. It's a taste of California you won't want to miss. If you're camping in the Great Plains, consider a horseback riding adventure. You'll feel as free as the wind as you gallop across the open fields. And for dinner, why not sample some locally raised bison burgers? And let's not forget about the charming small towns you'll encounter on your journey. Each town has its own unique story, local shops filled with handmade crafts, and diners serving up home-cooked meals that will make you feel like a part of the community. Exploring the surrounding areas of your campsite can truly enrich your camping experience. It's an opportunity to learn, to experience new things, and to make unforgettable memories. Remember, the best adventures often happen when you step off the beaten path and venture into the unknown. So, whether it's hiking in the Rockies, surfing in California, horseback riding in the Great Plains, or discovering the charm of small-town America, there's always something unique and exciting to do when you're on an RV camping adventure. Exploring the local culture and cuisine can add a whole new dimension to your RV camping adventure. So, are you ready to hit the road?